Hey, Monster here. Today's video we're gonna be changing the oil on this 2016 Ford F150 XLT. So this is 5.0 Coyote V8. So it's gonna have more oil. We got two 5W20 Valvolines. Take 7.5 liters. So let's get right to it. Okay, so here is our oil drain plug. We got our oil pan right here. Now you're gonna get your breaker bar. It's 15 millimeter socket. Now we're gonna break it. Hopefully I don't need an impact twist. Oh no, I'm actually tightening it. I'm done. Alright, nice. It's broken. Right, that should be good. Now we're gonna get a regular ratchet. 15. Let me get a shorty. Right. Now we're just gonna unbolt this oil plug. Make sure your oil pan is under there. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's go. Alright, now we got our oil draining. You can see it's black. It's ready to be changed. Yep. Just gonna wait for this to drain. Oh, it's right here. I am not getting that off. Alright, you guys see this oil filter right here. Try to get it off with this. Alright, time to use a big thing. Oh, that didn't sound good. Alright.
Should I try?
Yeah. Alright, since the shredder thing didn't work, we went to AutoZone and bought this. Quick trip. Time to open this up. Alright. Now, how does this work? So this is tighten. Alright guys, I'm getting it. See the oil dripping? Nice. Oh, one in my mouth. Alright. Time to pull it off. Well, not pull it off. We're gonna let this drain. Thanks. We'll let this drain out of the filter. Then we'll pull it off. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh. Alright, nice. Alright, now we're gonna get our drain plug back on. Alright, got our bolt in. Now I'm just gonna tighten it down. I don't know exactly how many foot-pounds I gotta torque this to. I'm just gonna do it until I stop tightening it. This feels good. Alright, nice. Now we're gonna make our way over to the filter side. We didn't put oil and all the stuff. Alright.
Put our filter back in.
And we're gonna do this hand tight. Got our oil filter in. Now we are going to add oil. All right, we are going to reset it. All right. Okay. Trip, fuel, truck info. I think it's info. Yep, engine information. Oil life. Hold okay to reset oil life. All right, resetting. Nice. We got 100% oil life. All right. Now we're just gonna let it sit. Make sure there's no oil leaks anywhere. Nope. All good. Nothing else. And that's how you change the oil on a 2016 F150 XLT. See ya.